Hi guys, welcome to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet. In today's episode, I am going to show you how to make a simple Thai dessert. It's perfect for the summer, and this is called Singapore Cendol, a combination of sweet noodles with coconut syrup and beautiful fresh jackfruit. If you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to my kitchen again, and today we are going to start off by making the dessert. So I know it's been a couple episodes that I've been doing like dessert, but just bear with me. I don't want you to run away because I'm making too many dessert recipes. So Singapore Cendol has nothing to do with the Singapore. Is actually originated in Thailand. From the history, all the things I can gather around the internet and the books, is said that it's originated in a small shop, a stall vendor that they sell this type of dessert right next to the cinema. It's called Singapore Cinema. So yes, briefly, and then people just called it like Singapore Cendol or Lord Chong Singapore in Thai. And the way to make it, this dessert is super simple. I'm going to show you by starting off to making a syrup. The syrup is a combination of white sugar with the water, a little bit of salt, and then we are going to infuse with the pandan leaves, so you get like the base syrup for the entire thing. Thai people love to eat dessert, so we are sweet tooth people. And the thing is, we eat a lot of dessert because our country was so hot. It's a tropical country, so we need to eat something to retain our energy. So a lot of high sugars. The next part I'm going to show you is to prepare the flour to make a noodles. Use two types of flours here, tapioca and then the rice flour. So we're going to combine these two types of flours together. And then to add the green colors, today we are going to use the pandan leaves and extract them and to get the green color. You can choose to use the food coloring if you prefer, or if you couldn't find the pandan leaf, yeah, food coloring is fun. To extract the pandan leaves, just chop them into small pieces and then add some water and blend it until it like get this green juice just like this. Traditionally we're going to use a mortar and pestle to extract the green color, but in the modern day I think the blender works amazing. Just save a lot of time and energy, really. And it smells just divine. I am going to filter it out using like thin cloths like this, and just make sure that I only get the beautiful green juice. So we're going to heat up the pandan water until like at the boiling hot point. So and then we're going to slowly pour over the flour here. Stir it quickly with a spatula or the wooden spoon. So we want to make sure that the flour is like half cooked. A really good element of the tapioca is when cooked with hot water, it becomes very like sticky and gluey. Don't worry if your water is not too hot. You can just put it back and pop in microwave for like maybe 30 seconds. It become really like gummy like this. And this step I'm going to knead it all until it all well combined. The colors become like well nice binding with the flour here. So it looked really nice sticky dough. And the next part is you are going to cut into the sheet just like this. Use a rolling pin to flat it out, and then you got a flat noodle bar just like this. Just cut into the length that you desire. My ideal size is about like 2.5 inches. So the thickness, it should be maybe 1/4 of. Once you do it enough time, you get the idea. And then just chop it with a knife. At the same time, you are going to sprinkle some of the flour just to make sure that the noodle strip doesn't sticking together. Now, yeah, this should have enough of the material to make Cendol now. The next step, I'm going to put into the hot water. So make sure this water is, you bring the water to boil and then turn the heat down to medium, just so it's bubbling like this. And then drop the noodle into the hot water. So once the noodle cooked, it will float up to the surface, and then you just scoop it out with the strainer. Once you put in the hot water, it's going to float up just like this. That means it's ready. You're going to scoop it out the hot water and then transfer into the cold bath. So it's just going to preserve the colors, make it the green and vibrant. I do not use the food coloring, so the result may be less vibrant than the food coloring if you use the green colors. So this is all natural. And then we'll transfer these noodles into the syrup bowl. Singapore Cendol usually serve with the jackfruit, so it's one of my favorite Thai fruits, jackfruit. It could become number 2. My number 1 probably durian. I love eating durians. And this is jackfruit. It smell. Someone says it's very pungent. It's very strong, but it's so sweet. I just love the smell of jackfruit, and I love the sweet flavor of it. I found this at the Asian market, so they kind of cut into a small portion and sell it per kilo. I bought this one for about 14 Australian dollars, and yeah, it's amazing fruit. I just loved it. Now it's time to serve, so you're gonna pick a portion of the noodles that soak in the syrup, and then you are going to top it up with the sliced jackfruit. It's the best combination I've ever seen in any Thai dessert. It's so simple, it's so delicious, and it's so easy to make. Yeah, just add a portion of the sweet noodles, add a portion of jackfruit, and then top it up with the sweet salty syrup, and then you are going to put on the crushed ice. And here you are, this beautiful, sweet, delicious Singapore Cendol. And this is the best dessert to have in summer. So it's cold and sweet, and it smells so nice, and I think you will enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe and share the content. I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, happy Pride Month, everyone! Yay! Bye now.